Hello, I'm Cameron and I work for SACO in the Military and Law Enforcement Business Unit. We're going to talk about the TRG 62A1 maintenance and training. When we work with our customers and supply the rifles, we also provide services such as training and maintenance. The types of training that we provide is train the trainer so that they can use the weapon system and also take the knowledge from us so that they can also instruct their students and their operators on how to use our system and our rifle platforms. We also provide training for the service to prolong the service life and operability of the rifle system itself. We provide spare parts solutions and recommendations for the customer to prolong the life cycle of the rifle. Additionally, we can also provide services for larger procurements with integrated logistics support recommendations. If you want more information, please visit our website, saco.global. Thank you.